Anyways, guys, hello, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we're gonna make a tool selection thingy. So let's jump right in. We need to make a UI, which I already have done. So first, let me set my frame to visible, and then I'm gonna add a text button. You can do an image button, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna use a text button. So, parent text is equal to gift tool, and of course we need an actual tool. So, actually, hold on, let me change the background color. Yeah, now first of all, we need a tool. So I'm gonna take a pistol, because why not? Seems nice. No, don't put it in the... Do not put it into the... starter pack. Anyways, this is our gun right here. So, we're gonna create a folder in server storage, and we're gonna name it tools. And we're gonna grab our handgun and put it inside the tools folder. Now let me make my thing visible again. Then now we're gonna put a local script in our thing. We're gonna make a local variable, which is handgun tool, and then we're gonna get to the script dot now game get service server storage dot tools, and then yeah. And for this tutorial, I'm gonna do handgun. I mean, you can do it for many other tools. And then we're gonna do, that's all. And then we gotta do this. Local player is equal to game.players.localPlayer dot backpack. Then we're gonna do script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function, and then we're gonna do local tool clone, and then local tool clone dot parent is equal to player. So anyways, that's pretty much it. So now I haven't now we set the frame to invisible, and you make a button that you use to open it, and to script it you do I'm gonna do script dot parent dot mouse by one click next function Here. Script dot parent dot visible. No. Script dot parent dot frame. No, parent. Script dot parent dot parent. Sorry. Dot frame. Not visible. True. Then and else if script dot parent dot frame dot visible is equal to true. And I'll give you a minute to copy each of the scripts. Like here. Pause the video if you need to. And over here. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then let's test it out. Tool select and get tool. Hold up. Ah, that's it. We have to do wait for child tools. Yeah, sorry about that. We'll select. Now, what is it now? Infinite yield, possible one. Tools. Hold on, actually. Move the tools folder to replicated storage. This be a little easier. Now we're gonna change it to replicated storage. And wait for child tools. We got our handgun. It should work. It should work now. That's our tool. This gun is kind of buggy, but it's not what we're here for. Anyways, so if you want to add more tools, here's how you do it. So you make your frame visible, duplicate the get tool button, and yeah, just Control D, and find another tool. I'm gonna use this deagle, and put it into your folder. Then you go into that script and put in that new tool's name. And that's how you do it. So it should work. Just make sure to set it invisible every time you do that. And get tool. And as you can see, it works. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any concerns or any complaints in the comments. And anyways, hope this helped.